You may not take interest in politics, but politics will take interest in you. That quote could just as easily apply to artificial intelligence. Because whether or not you care about AI, AI cares about you, and it's already reshaping the world faster than most people realize. In South Korea, schools are testing AI tutors that adapt to each student's learning style in real time. In India, the government is launching AI portals to help farmers with crop planning and yield forecasts. In the US, companies like CLA have cut over 75% of support staff, replaced by AI chatbots that now handle 2/3 of customer queries without human help. That's why OpenAI co-founder Ilya Sutskever told students at the University of Toronto, "We are entering the most unusual time in human history." He explained why in just one sentence. The brain is a biological computer, and computers can be replicated. In 2023, GPT-4 passed the uniform bar exam in the 90th percentile. With zero legal training, Google's Gemini 1.5 processed over 1 million tokens in a single session. That's hundreds of pages of legal, medical, or financial data analyzed in real time. We are watching AI simulate reasoning, memory, and abstraction, skills once thought to be uniquely human. At Palantir, AI systems are already deployed in battlefield logistics. They're not just supporting strategy, they're helping shape it. Former Google CEO Eric Schmidt said it plainly. Within a year, most programmers could be replaced by AI. At Amazon, AI tools are writing and auditing code, but they're also vulnerable. In 2024, a major exploit used prompt injection to manipulate Amazon's AI coding assistant. Meta's Code Compass now contributes to 8% of all developer code and reproduces correct lines nearly 60% of the time. Startups like Cognos are building tools that summarize documents, conduct research, even build project plans from scratch. This isn't science fiction. It's already happening inside the world's biggest companies. And what comes next is even more radical. Experts now say we're just 3 to 5 years away from AGI, artificial general intelligence. Machines that can reason, adapt, and solve problems across any domain. Just like humans. Only faster, cheaper, more accurate. At Google's DeepMind, Gemini models are laying the foundation for AGI. OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman agrees, saying AGI is no longer a distant dream. It's a near-term goal. Across the field, the debate isn't if, it's when. The biggest shift most people miss is agentic AI. These aren't just tools anymore, they're co-workers. AutoGPT, Devin, Agentforce. They can manage entire workflows, write code, answer support tickets, schedule meetings, even handle legal reviews. In the UK, AI agents help process school funding applications. In Estonia, they assist with contract disputes. This isn't just about replacing jobs. It's about replacing layers of work. At JP Morgan, their Coin platform reviews legal contracts in seconds, saving over 360,000 hours of labor every year. At Siemens, AI reroutes supply chains, boosting productivity by nearly 50%. But while the world races ahead, governments are falling behind. In 2024, over 1,000 researchers signed an open letter, calling for a pause on training models beyond GPT-4. The models were released anyway. The EU passed its AI Act. Critics say it's already outdated. The US held hearings, but passed no legislation. Eric Schmidt warned, by the time regulation catches up, we'll already be on the next phase. 3 breakthroughs are quietly accelerating the AI race. First, context windows. Claude 3 and Gemini can now analyze entire books in a single conversation. Second, persistent memory. AI agents can now remember and adapt over time, like an intern that never forgets and never sleeps. Third, text-to-code generation. You describe it, AI builds it. Tools like AutoDev and Ghostwriter are letting non-coders become builders overnight. Ilya Sutskever ended his talk with a warning. Whether you care about AI or not, it's going to shape your life. This isn't about fear, it's about awareness. Because this isn't just a tool anymore. It's something that's growing, and it's not slowing down.